What's up, YouTube? Have you ever did this? This? So I got you. We are all sick and tired of these graphic designers bringing you emotes, graphics. This is gonna be part one. I'm gonna show you the best way, which I found for myself, for custom emote, animated emote, which you can make like this. So I prefer ezgif, so you can make turn your videos into the GIF, make in the right format for your streaming platform like Twitch, Kick, doesn't matter where you stream. And also I'm gonna give you the great website for a lot of choices of emotes, free emotes. You just download them and copy paste in your dashboard. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's gonna help you and you can say them off of my DMs. Okay, watch the video and see you in the end. Okay, peace. Watch it.
Browse, you upload the video. You can upload up to like 2 minutes, 3-minute video. Then you choose your current position where you want your emote to start. And convert to the GIF. Here we go. Then you want to resize it. I use crop, so I have it closer. Choose wide, choose height for your Twitch stream or Kick stream. Resize the image. Here you have example, image preview. It's too big, so I have to optimize. It should be under 1 megabyte. And here we go. We just save the file. Upload on Kick and Twitch. And here you have animated emote just for you. And that's all you have to do. Just name it and it's up there.
I know it's not a rocket science, but I hope it helps in your streaming journey. Remember I told you about emotes, free emotes? I'm going to show you right now where I get them. And I hope you enjoy, I hope it helps. Oh, here it is. It's called Discadia, I don't know, I'm from Latvia, my national language is Latvian, so I have zero clue how to spell it. But yeah, you can search any kind of emote you want. There is, let's start with dancing and you can get a lot of emotes, as much as you want. Just download, it's already in the right format. Just download them, copy in your dashboard, and you will be free to go. All the links is down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything up to you. Let's see you on the next video. I'm gonna try to show you easy way how I make my thumbnails for my video. I'm just learning, still learning every single day, editing and streaming on Twitch and Kick by name Giritis. If you want, drop a like, drop a comment, come by my streams. I'm playing mostly Call of Duty. So yeah, see you on the next video. Peace.